Hi guys, good morning. So, welcome back here. My name is LiQWYD and I'm happy to have you here. So, today is CVSD. Yeah, I'm doing NYC. And this is the first time, you guys, in weeks that I'm wearing a uniform because of the insecurity. We haven't been wearing uniform. But today we're going out to a school. Actually, right now, it's 9:30. And we have no left the secretariat. So, I don't know if that's going to happen today. But that's the plan. So I'm going to take you guys through all of that, and I'm also going to make my hair look nice today. But anyways, just come with me for everything. Let's do this together, okay? See you guys later. Bye. Oh yeah, introduce yourself. But I look so sleepy.
Someone doing it for now. Please, they've not started. Let me enjoy. I'm enjoying. I saw Opeyemi at the secretariat today, so I think I'll join your studios today.
We're going out. If you want to follow us, you can follow us.
I will. See your face.
Honestly, I look so sleepy. Please, I need to see you. Bye-bye.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary.
You're not telling anybody that this is your first time in CBS.
No? Why do you have to say that? This is not my first time.
She's always coming. Yes.
They're going to see me, but this is not my first time. I've been coming. Straight to Corper. Serious one.
I believe her, but I really don't. Hey guys, welcome back. So today is Friday, the day after I made my hair. And why did I because it was cold. Before starting video. Sorry about that. So yeah, I'm currently at work. I'm almost done for the day. I should be out of here in say like 30 to 40 minutes. And I hope I don't have any other patients before the day ends. So nothing really exciting happening today, but thank God it's Friday. Yes, thank God it's Friday. So I'm supposed to be at the training today. I'm supposed to go for a training today, but I didn't know about the training early enough, and so I couldn't get permission off work. So I will teach you guys more about that tomorrow. Take you guys along with me and all of that great stuff. You guys, though, do you know that? Okay, I don't know where to start this gist from. So basically, currently, you know, it's been raining a lot. So, like everywhere in Enugu now, people are selling termites. I think he has called I'm not pronouncing it right, I know, but that's how it's spelled, AGU, I think. And so I've actually eaten termites before, like when I was way younger. You know, like when rain is falling and then like when they crowd around the light, like you put buckets and then you take off the wings and then fry them and stuff. So now seeing them like it's everywhere in Enugu, like people sell them with wheelbarrows, like it's a serious stuff. And but I have been skeptical about trying it because well I haven't eaten it in a very long time, so I'm a bit like I really want to try this thing. Then also because I'm not really comfortable with the hygiene, to be honest. But then I now went on Instagram today and I saw Okwe King, yes, Okwe King's video eating termites from Nelly's, and it just like brought back so many memories. And I'm just like, I've been seeing this, I think I'm going to buy it today also. If you guys see a clip of me buying termites, just know that influencing, like, this influencer marketing thing is real. Like, I had been seeing it, I was going to try it. Then I saw it on the Informa Kids page, I'm like, yeah, I'm definitely having it. I don't know why I'm just seeing you guys, but influencer marketing is real, and your girl wants to eat termites. Yeah, that's the gist. Alright guys, I'm going to see you guys later. Bye for now. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Saturday. Like I told you guys that I have a training today, so I'm currently there right now. I'm actually quite early. It starts by 10 a.m. The time is about 9:14 now. So yeah, I'm learning to not be late for things, so I'm here early. Basically, training is a certificate NGO training. Basically we're going to be talking about management of an NGO and stuff like that. It's not like I want to open NGO tomorrow, but who knows, it might happen. And also I think conversations like this are actually really necessary. Initially I was like, I don't know if I want to be here, but yes, I think conversations like this are necessary to give you insight and to just make you kind of like decide to go for more, make you hungry, that kind of thing. I'm really excited to learn today, ask questions, and just go back home and be more passionate and hungry again. So I have on a jumpsuit, and I wear jumpsuit. To show you guys, I'm wearing a fashion in sleeping, and I'm wearing this with a pair of moles. So yeah, basically that's it for me guys. So I'm gonna catch you guys later. Bye. Guys, so remember I told you guys last week that I was coming for a meeting. So yeah. So today we had a strategic meeting. We designed a project and we decided that we're going to move it forward to the next level. So this is our team lead. Anna, tell us about our project.
Hello,
What's our
project is on. Hello guys, my name is Hannah. I'm the team lead of the project, and our project is will be dealing on eradicating teenage pregnancy in Enugu State. So we'll be looking at 20 secondary schools in Enugu North, and we'll be going to each of these schools for sensitization. We'll be sensitizing the males separately, the females separately, then stakeholders like teachers and the principals and guardians and counselors of this school. So that's basically what our project is all about. And this project is going to give a lot of impact because we're going to be teaching about sex education, be teaching them on abstinence, the ABC of sex education, teaching them about personal awareness, having role models and the like. So it's going to change the life of the average Enugu student. So what's giving it a try?
Yes,
So
what's investing your money into?
this is our finance mama. So be trying to sponsor this.
If you like to sponsor, yes, please. You can, I don't know, I'll put my mail, so I guess you can send me a mail. If you know me personally, just send me a message.
So what is the need for you? So you're going to be affecting a child's life. You're going to prevent somebody from completing abortion. You're going to help somebody, like an average teenager, to become who he or she wants to be. And you are going to contribute to keeping our society safe and helping Enugu children, basically. So that's what we need for you. That's why you should support us. We are core members.
We need money.
Two of us
are core members. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm just going to basically end this vlog over here. Thank you for watching, thank you for stopping by, and if you haven't subscribed, why? Please subscribe down below, turn on the notification bell, comment down below, let me know what you think, and please look out for my next video, and yeah, take care, bye.